Looking for new stair railings for your porch? Or maybe you want to add character to your home with window moldings. If it's time to make some updates to the look of your home, it's also time to consider precast concrete.
A lot of people have a misconception that precast is only for mansions, maybe because it replicates natural limestone, which is usually 3 times the cost of our stone. Precast is a good alternative to using other building materials because it increases the value of your home rather than just using all brick. With limestone, they have to cut out those profiles from a natural stone. We have the CNC machine, which we make the molds and we pour into it to get that profile that the customer wants.
I have about 25 years in the construction industry. We used to build houses, we used to develop, and I guess it was 07, 08, I kind of got tired of the construction industry and I wanted to pursue a different business. Me and my wife went to Florida and we were looking at precast in Florida because we were building a new house. And I just fell in love with the coral finish, with the precast business. I just fell in love with it. And here we are, 15 years later.
When you're talking about outdoor construction, your biggest consideration is Mother Nature. How will the products stand up to heat, cold, or more?
Our mix is a monolithic pour. It's the same finish all the way through. Our competitor, they use rock chips and more aggregate with a pasted finish. We get a fine sand that is dredged from a lake. It's actually what stands apart between us and our competitors. We can make 3 finishes, acid wash, coral, or limestone with numerous of colors. We could even match custom colors if needed. Our product stands up to the freezing weather in the Northeast just because of all the materials that we put in, the chemicals and everything that helps it withstand the freezing climate and the changing in the weathers with summer, spring, fall, and winter. You never have to worry about spalding or cracking or anything like that.
We're located in New York. Everything is manufactured right here in our 25,000 square foot facility. We ship the entire country. Our balusters are in stock and we ship all over the place.
We have people here that we have a design team that can draw up and give them renderings of what the house will look like. We can give them different ideas of how it'll look if you were to use, say, stucco with our stone.
Basically, the maintenance of the precast is just pressure wash it like you would your concrete driveway. That's it. You shouldn't have to paint it. You shouldn't have to do anything to it except pressure wash it every couple of years.
Visit their website, coralcast.com, if you'd like more information on new home updates. Or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.